how warm do they need to be? Is it put it in your hands in front of a heater warm? Because I just picked up a harmonica and it was freezing, and I thought, oh, I better warm it up. And then I
Yeah.
thought, how?
Yeah. Well, if you keep a harmonica in the car
Yeah,
or in the shed and it's
yeah,
cold, the danger is when you go to bend a note, the metal snaps rather than bends.
yeah,
So I would just
yeah.
do some very gentle chords over it, just to get it started. Just literally. Just just breathe air over it
Okay.
before you start playing. Chromatic
Cool.
harmonicas are totally different because they
Mm.
have wind savers or valves. Now that's a
Yeah,
totally different thing. For people who play chromatic harmonica, and one of them has just stepped into the room, the valves, the wind saver on a chromatic harmonica, there's two. It's like that. It sits on top of the reed. There's a long one and a short one. And what a lot of people do with the short one is they'll put a kink in it so that it doesn't sit flat onto the long one because they tend to stick together. If there's any moisture, they tend to stick together. And then when you play, you get it's like the turbo release on a car. You're playing and suddenly it goes as the reed suddenly goes boing and jumps out of the way. So to avoid that on a chromatic harmonica, you need it to be warmed up properly. So people put it in their trousers or in their pocket or something, or I think Seidel has a harmonica warmer. Somebody uses a warming mat. I don't know. So for chromatic harmonicas, they definitely need to be warmed. Otherwise, you get condensation. They make it very difficult to play. Diatonic is not so much. You just don't want to crack the reeds. So I would just breathe air over it.
yeah.
Just be nice to it, and it'll be nice to you.